reaction of Hoffman bromide reaction is, if I write this electron deficient nitrogen and the leaving group here X is bromine. In Hoffman bromide reaction, X is bromine. It is going to form isocyanate. It is goes out, this comes here, and R migrates onto nitrogen to give isocyanate. R N double bond C double bond, isocyanate. This is the common intermediate. This is base catalyzed reaction, is known as Hoffman bromide reaction, which gives amine here 1 carbon less. Similar reaction, there are other reactions which follows isocyanate intermediate, that is Lawson. That reactions are Lawson, Curtius and Schmidt. These are the another 3 reactions. This reaction is Hoffman reaction. X is bromine, Hoffman reaction, Hoffman rearrangement reaction. Lawson reaction also undergoes similar type of reaction which forms isocyanate as intermediate. The Lawson starting material is ONH. This is carbamic acid acyl ester or carbamic acid acyl derivative, which upon reacting with base, this base abstract this proton and it is going to form RCON, same intermediate students, OCH3. Here it is going to go out as acetate ion, nitrogen anion comes here and R group going to migrate to here to give same isocyanate intermediate. So this is base catalyzed Lawson reaction. Another similar reaction is Curtius. It is acid catalyzed. Let us take RCON hydrazine, NH hydrazine amide. This hydrazine amide upon nitration NaNO2 in presence of HCl, it is going to form diazonium salt. Nitration, it is going to form diazonium salt. This is plus nitrogen. Now what is going to happen? It is going to be out as here OAC. Let me write here OAC. Now it is going to form isocyanate, which is nothing but this diazonium salt goes out as nitrogen. This comes here and R group migrates onto nitrogen. When it comes to Schmidt reaction, it is the reaction of carboxylic acid to give hydrozoic acid. When you treat it with hydrozoic acid minus water, it is going to form this diazonium amide. Yes, this diazonium salt upon losing nitrogen or upon rearrangement, it is going to form isocyanate. It is very important and simple concept, students. Please go through this. These are the 4 reactions where all these 4 reactions follows isocyanate as a common intermediate. In all these reactions, 1 carbon is going to be less in amines. This carbonyl carbon is going out. So this is the common intermediate isocyanate. Hoffman, Lawson, Curtius, Schmidt. These are the 4 rearrangements. So this is how all these 4 reactions follows isocyanate as common intermediate, whereas the mechanism follows this isocyanate as common intermediate. Please take the screenshot of these 4 reactions. It is very important, students.